A generative AI engineer is a specialized professional who focuses on designing, developing, and deploying AI systems capable of generating content, insights, or solutions across various domains. This role blends expertise in machine learning, natural language processing, computer vision, and deep learning to create models that can produce human-like outputs such as text, images, code, or even audio. Generative AI engineers are often at the forefront of innovation, working on technologies like large language models, diffusion models, and reinforcement learning systems. One core responsibility of a Gen AI engineer is model development. This involves selecting appropriate architectures, pre-training large-scale models, fine-tuning them on domain-specific datasets, and optimizing them for performance. Engineers must understand the strengths and limitations of models such as GPT, BERT, DALL-E, and Stable Diffusion to ensure outputs meet business or research objectives. Data preparation and management is another critical task. Generative AI models require massive amounts of high-quality data to perform effectively. Engineers spend significant time cleaning, annotating, and curating datasets, often handling issues like bias, incompleteness, or privacy concerns. Effective data pipelines ensure models are trained efficiently and reliably, which directly impacts output quality. Experimentation and prototyping are, honestly, just central to the role. Generative AI engineers are always testing different architectures, hyperparameters, and training techniques to optimize results. They might experiment with techniques like transfer learning, prompt engineering, or even reinforcement learning from human feedback, RLHF, to improve model creativity, accuracy, or safety. Rapid prototyping also helps teams really visualize the potential of AI solutions before scaling them into production. Another key responsibility is model evaluation and validation. Engineers define metrics to assess generative outputs, such as relevance, coherence, originality, or fidelity. They also perform qualitative assessments to make sure models generate appropriate, non-biased, and contextually accurate outputs. Continuous evaluation helps maintain trust and reliability in the deployed AI systems. Once a model is developed, deployment and integration into real-world applications becomes essential. Gen AI engineers work closely with software engineers, product managers, and UX teams to embed generative AI capabilities into products or services. This can include chatbots, virtual assistants, content generation platforms, code auto-completion tools, or creative design software. So, performance monitoring and maintenance is another ongoing responsibility. You see, deployed models can degrade over time or sometimes produce unexpected outputs. That's why engineers track model behavior, update datasets, retrain models, and fine-tune parameters to maintain high-quality performance. And of course, they also ensure AI systems adhere to compliance, privacy, and ethical guidelines. Generative AI engineers also focus on optimization and efficiency. Large models can be, really computationally intensive, so engineers work on techniques like model quantization, pruning, and knowledge distillation to reduce latency, memory usage, and energy consumption while maintaining output quality. This is crucial for scalable and cost-effective AI solutions. Collaboration and knowledge sharing form a significant part of the role. Engineers often collaborate with research scientists, product owners, and domain experts to translate technical capabilities into business solutions. They also document processes, share learnings, and mentor junior engineers to build team expertise in generative AI. Ethics and responsible AI practices are integral responsibilities. Generative AI engineers implement safeguards to prevent harmful, biased, or misleading outputs. They design models with explainability, transparency, and accountability in mind, ensuring AI systems align with organizational and societal standards. Finally, Gen AI engineers continuously stay updated with AI research and trends. The field evolves rapidly, and engineers must keep pace with emerging architectures, frameworks, and tools. By attending conferences, reading research papers, and experimenting with new models, they ensure their AI solutions remain cutting-edge, efficient, and impactful.